This is the iCarzone UR1000. It's my first experience of any iCarzone products. This is very typical of this level of scanner. So it's kind of a entry-level professional scanner or a very high-level, what do you call it, a hobbyist scanner. It's an Android-based device. It's a reasonable size. It's a lovely screen. It's got Bluetooth, so that's a Bluetooth dongle. Items is a USB charger, USB cable. You can connect the device directly with a USB-C cable to the VCI, or the actual bit that plugs into the car, into the ABD port, and it will be ever so slightly faster than using it over Bluetooth. Just like the iCarzone, we've got a diagnostics option, a service option, a TPMS option, interestingly a video scope option, same as the other devices. I don't know what USB cameras are supported, probably all of them. I'd imagine they might lock it down to use their own devices, but I would imagine this particular device lets you plug pretty much any USB video scope into it. Settings, and if you've got workshop information you want to put in, history of what was it? I saw history, some vehicle history, which will show you stuff that you've done with vehicles and let you flick back to see stored fault codes and stored data, etc. As you can see, it's got an upgrade option. This is connected to my Wi-Fi at the moment, and if I go into the upgrade, it will go online, it will look for upgrades. The manufacturer stated this is lifetime updates, so same as iCarzone. So if we go into service options, injector coding or TPMS reset or air suspension, you pick the make and you go through and you will click scan for VIN code or read the VIN code. Right, I'm going to take this to a vehicle that I've got and I will give it a whirl.